Hi everyone, it's Wendy. I'm on a roll. Okay, so I did the scrapbooking with me. I did the Annie's Creative Woman. Yeah, Annie's Creative Woman Kid of the Month Club. Now this one is from Popshop America. And yes, I'm opening it from the bottom, which may not be the wisest thing to do. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh, okay. We got a paint marker, a thing of journal. This should be interesting, considering I'm opening it from the bottom. Okay. We've got, a terracotta pot. Whoa. Oh, I shouldn't have opened it up from the bottom. Okay. All right. My bad. Because we've got, looks like lava rocks. Okay, ladies, don't open these from the bottom. My mistake, your benefit, right? Alright, so we have lava rocks. We got a lot of paper stuff, which I am going to save because I'm going to reuse it. So this is fun. Okay. That'll teach me, won't it? Okay. That will teach me. Alright, so we've got matches. We've got a ton of candy. And guess what? I happen to like this candy. Alright. Now we got the Open Me here. Okay. Open Me. Yay! Okay, the s'mores box. Okay. Make your own African mud cloth planter. Make your own DIY s'more maker. Oh, cool. So we got terracotta pot, lava rocks, a heat can, matches, paint pen, marshmallows. Yeah, there's marshmallows here. There's flavored marshmallows, graham crackers, and we got cinnamon churro marshmallow. Ooh. And chocolate in the form of M&Ms. Though you can get mini chocolate bars. Okay, but you got an assortment of chocolate here that you can put in there too. So what you'll need, skewers to heat your marshmallows. Okay. And I've got skewers, you know, bamboo skewers. Okay, this is me. Actually, what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to be mean and send it to my niece for her sons. Ha ha! The African mudcloth painted planter. So you make it. All you need is a paint plant. Paint plant. Paint pen. Okay. And basically all you do is you decide how you want to decorate your pot. If you're using your planter for a fire pit, be sure to leave the inside of your terracotta pot free of paint. Makes sense. This goes for using your pot for plants as well. Plants do not like the paint. Have they voiced it? Okay. If you want to paint the inside, be sure to rinse it thoroughly 3 times before adding a plant. Okay. So this is an example. I don't know if you can see that. African mudcloth tells stories of the wearer to onlookers. These symbols and stories are passed down usually from mother to daughter. And they give you detailed instructions, which is available at their shop, popshopamerica.com. And this is where I got it from. And this gives you they give you some hold the heat can in place. You know, they talk about how to set it up and everything. You put a small layer of lava rocks on the bottom. You add your heat can. You need to make it so the top is even or slightly lower than the top of the terracotta pot. Keep it away from flammables. It's best sitting in the center of a table. Make sure the table is heat safe too. I will put heat pad down, you know, heat mat, yeah. And make sure your fire pit is completely cool before touching it. So this would be a great thing for on a, say, a rainy day, a rainy night, when the kids want something and you don't know what to do with them. Do this with them. And they talk about how to make s'mores. They got Old Reliable, which is the graham crackers, milk chocolate, toasted marshmallow. They got the Texas dessert, which is graham cracker plus milk chocolate plus toasted cinnamon churro marshmallow. I didn't know that. Cookie Monster, 2 chocolate chip cookies, toasted cookie dough marshmallow. That's a thing. Dipped in milk. Okay. Mr. Honey, graham crackers, drizzle of honey, toasted marshmallows rolled in chocolate chips. Okay. Sweet and salty. Graham cracker squares, Snickers pieces, and toasted marshmallow. $1,000,000, graham cracker squares, chopped Reese's cup, and mint chocolate chip marshmallows. Oh, cool. Sweet surrender. This sounds good. Graham crackers, raspberry jam, dark chocolate, extra toasty marshmallow. Then you got rosé all day. Graham cracker squares, milk chocolate, toasted strawberry, and cream marshmallows. I think those are the pink ones that are in here. I think I'm going to pack this all up. I'm actually going to put the lava rocks in a baggie, and I'm going to send it to my niece for her 2 boys. I think they would go nuts about it. Of course, she'll yell at me because I sent them fire in a can. And I sent them matches. I'll warn her, though, before I do it. But that is so cute. And I'm sure they will love it. Besides that, I've got some masks I got to send out too. So I'll just put that all together in the box for them. That is so cute and messy. Don't ever open those from the bottom again. So, I just discovered something interesting. I ordered some yarn from Lion Brand for a project because I was short one skein. Excuse me. And they sent me all of these patterns to do, which I thought was great. Add some more stuff to my pattern collection, which grows exponentially every day sometimes. All right, so that was from Popshop America, and we'll see what they send me next. See you on the next one. Bye.